Mr. Speaker,
Bajeti ya bururi yongereirwo kuma ciringi trilioni 3.9 mwaka-ini wa 2024-2025 nginyagia trilioni 4.2 mwaka-ini turathie wa kigina wa 2025-2026. Thirikari iratanya gukinyaniria gicunjĩ kinene kia bajeti ino na ungania wa magoti ma muigana wa trilioni 3.
Total revenue collections, including appropriation in aid for the financial year 2025-26, budget is projected to be at 3,321.8 billion. Of this amount, ordinary revenue is projected at Kenya shillings 2,754.7 billion. Grants are projected at 46.9 billion or 0.2% of the GDP.
No na kuri uguo ihoro riria riri budget-ini ino ti nini kuona ni ciringi bilioni 923 iria ni hakuhe maita meri ma ihoro ria bajeti hituku riria riari bilioni 597 rita riri thirikari ikibanga gukomba mbeca nyingi kuma guku bururi-ini.
The fiscal deficit for the financial year 25-26 budget will be financed by net external borrowing of 287.7 billion, equivalent to 1.5% of GDP, and net domestic borrowing of 635.5 billion.
Gukinya kiambiriri-ini kia mweri uyu murigo wa thiri wa bururi warugamire ciringi trilioni 11.9. Minister wa kigina akiuga ta bururi uhoti witu wa gukomba ni unyihite na uguo ni turabatara kurora mahuthiro maitu wega.
In present value terms, the debt to GDP is projected to progressively decline from 63% in 2024 towards the debt anchor of 55% or minus 5% of GDP plus or minus 5% of GDP for 2028.
Thire witu uri trilioni 11.5 twakomba bilioni 600 tukwathie ningi trilioni 12.1 na ucoke uririkane hari budget ino ya trilioni 4.3 trilioni 1.2 cigukorwo ire cia kuriha tu nyongerera cia mathiri maria tukombete.
Ona gutwika minister wa kigina ugite gutire na mubango wa kuongerera magoti wa gweterera ni kuona uria thirikari igukinyaniria bajeti ino ya 2025-2026 iri na ihoro inene uguo. Ngiribotera Ihoro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.